His interest in building stuff grew and grew, and the office became more of a workshop than an office. And then, one day, the office couldn't keep its large bookcase, and now the books are very sad because most of them had to be thrown in the bin, and there is no longer anywhere in the office for the books to go. Until now.
I'm cutting an angle now of slightly more than 45 degrees. My table saw can only go to 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is shim one side of my sled to give it the extra 5 degrees or so that it needs to make this cut. So after having a few problems getting the right angle with this piece, I was kind of stuck for a while and my table saw couldn't handle it. And then I realized that my circular saw could go right over past 45 degrees and do something like 50 plus degrees. So that's what I ended up doing. Had a nervous moment about the fit just now, and then I realized I hadn't cut off the dowels.